Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're encountering Ntoskrnl.exe blue screen of death error, then watch this video for the solution. The first solution is to run a memory diagnostic. So for that we need to press the Windows and the R button, and we need to enter the command mdsched, press enter and click on restart now and check for problems. This will shut down the system, run a memory diagnostic check, and then restart the system after fixing the errors. Now once that is over, we can always go to the event viewer, click on it, and then click on Windows logs, double click on system, and here in the right hand panel, the rightmost hand panel, click on find, and you have to input memory diagnostic, MEMORYDIAGNOSTIC, and the previous memory diagnostic test that you had conducted. If any errors and you click find, it will show you the errors. Now I don't have any errors on my computer, so it says that nothing is there. But if there are errors on your computer which were fixed by the system, then you will get the driver that is causing the error. So what you need to do is you need to go and uninstall the driver in the device manager window. So you can go to device, if you find the driver you can go to device manager, and if I have, for example, my camera driver is causing an issue, then I can right click on it and I can click on uninstall device. Once I uninstall the device, I can right click again and I can scan for hardware changes, which will reinstall the driver, and then this problem should no longer appear. And the last option, if these first two options do not work, is to have the RAM replaced, the physical RAM replaced. So we need to purchase a RAM on sites like Amazon.com. We will just look for RAM and we need to replace these RAMs. If this video fixed your problem, then please subscribe to the channel and enjoy your day.